video, I just wanted to take a necklace home right away so I can make cakes to satisfy my passion. Homemade cookies are delicious, safe, and beautiful. Automap 100 multi-head liquid filling machine is an effective solution for businesses that need to automate the filling process. The machine operates on the piston principle, ensuring high accuracy during the filling process. The machine is equipped with a modern PLC control system, making it easy to install and operate. Looking at the soft and smooth cheesecakes gliding on the chain, you'll not only feel their beauty but also remember the wonderful taste they bring. It is a journey from the careful care of the baker to the heart of each person enjoying it. Look at those beautiful carrots being cared for by the workers on the production line. Truly a masterpiece of dedication and attention to detail. Each carrot, with its bright color and beautiful shape, is carefully and meticulously placed on the chain, creating an impressive and warm scene. Even if you have difficulty removing potato skins, luckily there is help from the Sormac Potato Peeler. Designed with advanced technology and smart features, this tool helps solve problems easily and effectively. With its flexibility and variety of settings, the Sormac Potato Peeler can adjust speed and pressure depending on the type and size of the potato, ensuring powerful peel removal, strong and precise. Looking at each fresh green vegetable stalk moving on the conveyor belt, you cannot help but be impressed by the freshness and natural vitality they bring. Each vegetable stem, with its bright green color and graceful shape, flows gently on the conveyor belt, creating a beautiful and interesting scene. The freshness and vitality of these vegetables not only make me feel peaceful and satisfied, but also inspire and motivate me to support and respect nature in everyday life. Insect removal for vegetables. Tomer 5A is a major step forward in the field of food grading, not only raising standards, but also delivering superior levels of impurity removal, quality inspection, and skin control. With the highest capabilities in the industry, we are reshaping food safety and efficiency in the industry. The sorting, and processing of chili plants and machines is an important part of the food production process. And with products designed and manufactured by Unitech, you have assurance of quality and efficiency. Green Onion Cleaning Machine is a device that uses advanced technology to remove dirt, sand, and other impurities from green onions. The machine operates on the principle of using high-pressure water spray. The vegetable blanching machine uses hot water to blanch vegetables for a short time, helping to soften the vegetables and maintain their bright green color. In just a few short minutes, the vegetables have turned dark green, soft, and fragrant. our modern production line. Fresh fruits are turned into attractive snacks. After a few hours, the fruit slices shrivel and turn a beautiful color. Thank you for accompanying us as we uncover the secrets behind industrial food machinery. Your engagement is what drives us to continue exploring the frontiers of technology. Be sure to hit the like button and share your insights in the comments below if you found this video insightful. Stay tuned for more exciting content in our upcoming Go Tech videos. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next episode.